in this task, there is a critical issue going on with the Nautilus application inside of DC. So it seems they have an issue with database server. So let's check that. So let's look for credentials over here. So this is the Nautilus DB server. Let's connect to it. That's HTTP01, the host name. So SSH username is Peter, HTTP01. Put the password. Become a sudo user now. So if you check systemctl status MariaDB service, because that's what they say over here. So it's loaded but inactive, so let's try to start it. Okay, it popped up with an error, so let's check that. So we have we have a command over here, so we can use journal ctl-xe and MariaDB. Oops. MariaDB. Okay, let's use -u. Okay, if you look into the logs carefully, it says that check that you have the necessary permissions and try again. Cannot change ownership of the database directory. So yeah, if you look into here, changing ownership of this file operation not permitted. So let's change the permission. So let's copy this, press Q. So let's get into the directory, lib. Let's do ls-l. So if you look that MySQL, okay, so let's change the ownership of this file. So that's a ch1 MariaDB, then MariaDB, then that folder name. Okay, sorry, let's change this to SQL user, MySQL, and then MySQL. If I do ls-l, so user owns it and group as well, MySQL. So if you start the service again, okay, it didn't give any error. So let's look at the status now. It's active and running. So let's check the task. Yeah, it's done.